Hey guys, this is our new fridge. I'll show you our old fridge in a few. It's by Whirlpool, and yeah, this is our new fridge. Let me show you the fridge. And it's extremely windy today. It's like, what, 30 miles an hour. Jeez. But this is a light switch. These are, you can take these out. Yeah, this is the fridge. These drawers open right in here, and we got shelves right here. There's a little thing that holds condiments or something. Ow, I hurt my finger. Go here. This thing has a focusing problem, but this is another place where it holds whatever. But now I'm going to show you the freezer. And this is the freezer. It has that right there. We can change it. That's the shelf, and there's the cooling units. Then here's some more shelves. Then I don't know what this is for right here, but yeah. I'll go show you the old fridge. This is the old fridge. It's very old and it drives me nuts. Okay, I got the light on this time. Yeah. That's the side. I wouldn't be surprised how it looks back there. But this one's hot point. This door's broken. It drives me nuts. There's nothing in there. But that's the inside of the fridge. There was a cup down here holding the door up because it drives me nuts. Then there's our freezer. I think this is the company. Yeah, Hot Point. But yeah, we put all our cereal up there. But yeah, that's it for this video. See ya.